This lecture will walk you through how to clear data from a list. Please, please, please do not forget that you should never use the delete button when you are going through and clearing out a list. If you do, you will need to restore that list name, and a video and lecture for that are later on. Alright, so in order to clear the list, please make sure you have something to clear out. I just did the 4 and the 10 entry, so let's go to Stat. We'll go to Edit, and then we see that I have L1 that has the data set of 4 and 10 that I'm going to clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and highlight L1. See, it's highlighted now. And then I'm going to hit the clear key followed by the enter key. And that clears out the list. Again, do not press the delete key because then you'll have to go through and restore that list into your calculator again. Instead, use clear followed by enter. And that concludes this video lecture.